Today, we're delving into a topic that's often overlooked but holds significant implications for our planet: the use of peat in potting soil. While peat may seem like a harmless ingredient in gardening, its extraction and utilization have far-reaching environmental consequences. Peat, derived from decomposed organic matter in waterlogged environments, has long been prized for its ability to retain moisture and provide a stable growing medium for plants. However, the process of harvesting peat is anything but benign. Peatlands, often referred to as the Earth's carbon storehouses, cover a mere 3% of the global land area, but harbor an astounding one-third of the Earth's soil carbon. Yet these fragile ecosystems are being rapidly depleted to meet the demands of the horticultural industry. The extraction of peat involves draining and excavating these wetlands, leading to habitat destruction and loss of biodiversity. Moreover, the release of stored carbon into the atmosphere exacerbates climate change, contributing to the global warming crisis. While it takes thousands of years for peatlands to form, they can be destroyed in a fraction of that time through human exploitation. Once drained and excavated, these ecosystems may never fully recover, leaving behind barren landscapes devoid of their invaluable ecological functions. The loss of peatlands not only jeopardizes carbon sequestration, but also disrupts water cycles, increases the risk of flooding, and diminishes water quality. Peatlands provide a myriad of ecosystem services, including water purification, flood regulation, and wildlife habitat. By degrading these vital ecosystems, the use of peat in potting soil undermines the very services that sustain life on Earth. Fortunately, there are viable alternatives to peat-based potting soil that offer both environmental and performance benefits. Here are some eco-friendly options to consider. Composted bark derived from the outer layers of trees is another environmentally friendly alternative to peat. It provides a stable growing medium with good drainage and nutrient retention properties. Additionally, composted bark helps reduce waste by repurposing forestry byproducts into a valuable resource for gardeners. Green compost, made from organic household waste and garden trimmings, is a nutrient-rich alternative to peat. It improves soil structure, enhances microbial activity, and promotes healthy plant growth. By diverting organic waste from landfills, green composting helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions and supports a circular economy. Wood fiber, obtained from sustainably managed forests, is a renewable alternative to peat. It provides excellent moisture retention and aeration, promoting optimal root development and plant growth. Additionally, wood fiber production supports responsible forestry practices and helps preserve natural habitats. In conclusion, the use of peat in potting soil poses significant environmental risks, including habitat destruction, carbon emissions, and loss of ecosystem services. By transitioning to sustainable alternatives such as composted bark, green compost, and wood fiber, we can mitigate these impacts and promote a more eco-friendly approach to gardening. Let's work together to protect our planet and preserve its precious natural resources for future generations.